about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.
And just like that, guys, we are off. We're flying across the country to Los Angeles. Now, the West Coast is totally different from the East Coast, and I have not truly experienced it. So we are going to be living like a LA girl for a week. If you've ever thought about moving to LA, I hope to answer that question this week. Is it worth it? So we've touched down. Let's go, guys. I know, guys, you're probably thinking, Jayla, what are you doing? I am in LA exploring, being an LA girl. I rented a car, I rented an Airbnb. I'm staying here for the entire week. Just explore. Every time I've came to LA, I didn't do anything that was like exciting. I was here for like business or just here for a little bit. Like I never like actually explored LA. So I'm interested in doing that. I'm here. I want to take you guys along with me on the journey of exploring LA. Like I said, I got to rent a car. So my first experience is driving a car in LA and all the traffic. I was looking, I was like, yeah, it's a lot of cars. So I got a Jeep. Don't ask me what kind of Jeep. I don't even know, but I got a Jeep, and I'm about to like go to my location. Is this touchscreen? Oh, it is.
Starting route.
Okay, so we have our GPS
West
on.
Century Boulevard. Then take a slight right turn.
Okay, and we will get there in 28 minutes. 10:46. I had the worst flight experience, y'all. Like I was at the airport all day today. We're not even going to talk about it. It's always something with my flights. Not even going to talk about it. We're going to do this drive and see how this is. Here we go. Drive. Here we go. Alright, y'all, I just want to let you guys know that I haven't drove since December, because you know I live in New York and I don't drive. And this is a new car, and like, what are they doing down there? Oh my god, what are you doing? Because it's time for me to exit. I don't know where I'm gonna put you guys.
In 700 feet, turn left onto Aviation in a quarter mile.
Yeah, you supermodel. Tell that ass busting out the bottom. I'ma lose my mind in it. Crazy, I'ma do a lot obligado. Get the rubber on my lap. Get the chili up.
Thank you. Haven't driven so long. Girl. Auntie. Hold up.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Glasgow Place.
Playing with this today? Alright. In a quarter, okay. Alright. I'm doing it. Okay, here we go. This isn't bad. I mean, my seat feels kind of weird. What is this doing? Okay, we relaxing. Relax. Woo. I just need my lights to be on. How do you do this? So let's do it. Park. That's that. Where? How do I turn on the lights? Is it automatic? Lights. Oh, here we go. Auto. Okay, so the lights are on now. I feel so crazy. What the hell? Okay, here we go. Can you turn on red here? Yes, I think so.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto West Imperial Highway.
Alright guys, I'm doing it. Once I get on the highway, I can play music and stuff. Let me go to speed limit. What is it? What is the speed limit here?
Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for.
So guys, I just got to the place that I'm staying at. I'll take you guys on a little tour once I go to the car and get my last bag. It's super cute in here, cozy. I chose Airbnb because I wanted this place to feel like home. I didn't want to feel like, oh, I'm in another place, I'm staying at a hotel. I want it to feel like, you know, that I was home. So I'll take you guys around. I'm about to go get this bag. Oh my god, I did have to go up steps to get here, and that bag is heavy. And then I had to find parking, which parking wasn't actually bad in this area, but still I didn't park like super close So I'm gonna get my bag, and then once I get back, I'll show you guys around. Oh yeah, and in the meantime, I'm going to be ordering some Postmates. I don't know what I should get. A part of me wants to try something new because, well, things are open around here. And then another part says, just get pizza, because you can't go wrong with pizza. All of it would take 45 to 55 minutes. I'm like, should I drive, lose my parking spot? I'm kind of tired. It's 11:22. So I think I'll just order. Got Denny's. Oh, Denny's is quicker. Maybe I can get steak and eggs. Alright guys, so starting at the front door, here's my suitcase. It is stairs that goes all the way up. That is why my suitcase is still here. I gotta get the thing up. But this is the tour, so let's go head up. This is the view when you first get up the steps. Has a little table stand here, and this is the kitchen. So I have a little kitchen, little seating area. This is still like the foyer, the walkway. And you turn left, you have the living space, which is really nice. I can't wait till the morning time because the sunlight comes in here so pretty. I like how they decorated the place. Have a big screen TV. And then when you flip around this way, these doors open, and this is the bedroom. You have a dresser. You walk out of here, you have a closet. So my other suitcases and stuff. And from here, you turn left. It's the bathroom. It is a stand-up shower. So stand-up shower like that. And you go back into the kitchen. So yeah, this is a nice little apartment for my stay. Super cute, right? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this place. I think it's cute. The food is here, guys. I ended up not getting Denny's. I got pizza because, I don't know, something was wrong with my order. And ice cream. I don't know, I've been taking ice cream. Okay. In my PJs, pizza, pepperoni pizza. Although I got overdose on pepperonis, which they didn't give me a lot, but it's alright, okay. Now, oh my god, it looks so good. Take this to the bed. I was here waiting on my food, just like do. Put my ice cream in the freezer for now. Goodness, the bed feels so good. Oh, my phone. Don't you hate when you leave your phone? Alright guys, I am so sleepy. I literally had 2 spoonfuls of ice cream and I was like, I have to go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Tomorrow, I kick off tomorrow with a meeting with my network. So I have to go meet them at 11 a.m. So I have my alarm set at 9 o'clock so I can shower, put on a little bit of makeup, put on my clothes, and then have an hour time to drive there and like find parking. It's only like a 25-minute drive, but I don't know how traffic's going to be in the daytime because you guys know like LA is crazy with traffic. Nighttime on a Monday night, easy peasy, like not that much traffic. But tomorrow I may have some difficulties in finding parking and stuff. So I want to leave out the house by 10 a.m. and we're just going to be out adventuring tomorrow. I want to drive around more, get the hang of it, go to a few areas, you know, just that type of thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, I'm so sleepy. Oh, how do we turn this off? Oh, here we go.
not looking back.